Welcome to this tutorial on compiling GDB on Windows using msys2 in 2024. If you're a developer or programmer, you know how important it is to have the right tools for debugging your code. GDB, or GNU Debugger, is one of the most popular and powerful debuggers out there, but getting it up and running on Windows can be a challenge. That's where msys2 comes in, a fantastic tool that allows us to build and install Linux packages, including GDB, directly on our Windows machines. In this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of compiling GDB on Windows using msys2. We'll cover everything from setting up your environment to troubleshooting common issues. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to debug your code like a pro. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is install msys2 on our Windows machine. You can download the latest version from the official website and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, launch the msys2 terminal by searching for it in your Start menu. Now that we have msys2 up and running, let's update the package database using the pacman command. This will ensure we have the latest packages available. Next, we'll install the necessary build tools, including GCC, make, and pkg-config. With our environment set up, it's time to download the GDB source code. You can grab the latest version from the official GNU website or use a version control system like Git. Extract the tarball to a directory of your choice and navigate into it. Now we'll configure GDB using the configure script. This will prepare our build environment with the necessary settings. Make sure you specify the correct target architecture, such as x86-64 et al. The next step is where things can get a bit tricky. Building GDB. We'll use the make command to start the compilation process. Depending on your machine's specs, this might take some time. Once the build completes, we need to install GDB using the make install command. This will place the executable and supporting files in our msys2 environment. To summarize, here are the key points to remember. Install msys2 on your Windows machine. Update the package database using pacmans. Install necessary build tools like GCC, make, and pkg-config. Download the GDB source code and extract it. Configure GDB using the configure script. Build GDB using make upshell. Install GDB using make install. That's it. You've successfully compiled GDB on Windows using msys2. We hope this tutorial has been informative and helpful in setting up your debugging environment. If you have any questions or feedback, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more tutorials and content. What's next? Maybe you'd like to learn about using GDB with your favorite IDE or exploring advanced debugging techniques. Let us know what you're interested in, and we'll do our best to create content around it. Thanks again for watching, and happy coding.